Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a group on TikTok. So if you want to create a group with friends on TikTok, let me show you how to do it. So you need to open up your TikTok. Sorry guys, you need to open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, then the first thing you need to do is click on the inbox. Click on the inbox. This is your inbox, you can see. Then you're going to see create here. Just click on create. Oh, sorry for that. Number okay, so you can see once you or click on your inbox, you need to you see this icon, click on it. Once you click on it, you see new group. Now create. Now you have to search for people that you need to search for your friends. You need to search for your friends here. So make sure you search for friends. Once you have a friends here, click on those friends, and after that, click on start group chat, and that is how you're going to create a group very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.